How to set screen lock in any phone. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some steps that we can follow up in order to add up a screen lock to our Android device. So let's just dive right into the video and get started and make our phone's privacy stronger. So open up settings for that. Look out for the gear-shaped icon on your phone and go to the option for security and privacy. And go ahead and tap on it, or depending upon device, we also have a direct option called lock screen that we can tap on. After we tap on it, here we'll be finding different options. So we can select the option of screen lock type. We have pen, face, fingerprints, and many more options. So go ahead and tap on it, and first of all unlock your device, and once it's done, we'll be finding option for swipe, pattern, pin, and password. So you can select either of the option available and go ahead and use those options. You can follow up the on-screen prompts to confirm up your new security method, and you should be able to do it. If you want to use biometrics, we have an option called biometrics and security. We can use that option. Tap on it. After that, go ahead and tap on face recognition or fingerprints. And again, you will be required to set up a PIN, password, or pattern first as a backup, and you can follow up the on-screen instructions to set up the biometrics. And that way you should be able to do it. If you've forgotten a PIN or pattern, you can use factory reset option for your phone to regain the access. But this is how we basically set up the screen lock on our device. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.